Hi, this is Maher Dawoodi. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a bug that's extremely frustrating due to the new iOS 13 release, in which you cannot move the icons around properly on your screen, rearrange them. So first I'm going to show you the bug. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So if we long press the Skillvo social network marketplace for service professionals app here and select rearrange apps, you'll get the normal wigglies, right? And now I'm going to start moving stuff around. So if I grab the camera and move it here, now it's like stuck in this weird right position. I'm trying to get out of it. I'm grabbing different buttons, I'm pressing around, and it's stuck. And there's a lot of problems that happen. It's very frustrating. This isn't one of the only problems that occurs, but if you're having problems rearranging your icons, I'm going to just show you how to fix it. So to get out of this mess, because you click the done button in the top right, sometimes it doesn't work, you could select the side button, the power button on your right, if you get stuck. Now, once you come back in, relaunch your phone, go to settings. I'm going to show you how to fix it. You're going to go to accessibility, and then the zoom function, you turn that off. And once you've done that, then when you want to rearrange your apps, once again, you hard press rearrange, and everything will start working as it should once again. So that is how you fix this very frustrating bug. Hope you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.